If you're working with a large spreadsheet and keep losing your headers when scrolling, this simple feature will fix that instantly. First, decide which row or column you want to keep visible at all times. Usually, this is your header row. Click on the row below it or the column next to it, depending on what you want to freeze. And then go to the View tab at the top of Excel and click on Freeze Panes. You will see options like Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column, or Freeze Panes for more control. Select the option that fits your layout and it will apply immediately. This is especially helpful when working with long tables or datasets where you need constant reference to headers. Now you can scroll freely while keeping your headers locked in place, making your workflow much smoother. And that's how you can freeze rows and columns in Excel, and thank you for listening.